Alrighty, these are going to be the elevators in the Langdon Building of the Edgewater Resort in Madison, Wisconsin. We have some more KONEs here. Got this one first. I'm going to ride both anyway. They're hospital sized. Go down to one. This is the rear door. That sounds great. Features COP 4,000 pound capacity. KONE KSS 500 buttons that are brass again, very cool. 88 phone. Here are one. We'll get a cab view in a minute. The door tracks, even brass too. Look at that. 11. Up. Oh, 11 was open earlier. Look at the 10. Or 10. Let me see something here. Nah, I don't think so. Go back on one. Sorry, I'm just trying to put that away. God, that sounds great. Cab view. See, it's just a hospital-sized elevator, but it's very nice. Here are one. And look at that door tray. We're gonna go, let's switch on 3, because 1 and 2 open into this restaurant here. Here are 3. Send you to 10. Let's bring you down. Just like the other tower. Has that same stupid flaw. Here it is. One. Exact same as the other one. I don't know if the other one had 4,000 pound capacity or not. See, exact same. It just flip-flopped. Here are 1. Let's try it for 11. It's locked. 10. Nice. 1 on 5. I think this is the rear door. Yep, it is. It's funny, I think this is the front door, but it's not. Interesting layout of this place. You're at 5. I like this layout a lot better than the other building. These are a lot less busy too. There it goes. And